Hello, welcome, I'm Ellie, and today, we are going to build the Surfer's Beachfront. This is so much more than, that's the name of it, but this is so much more than just a Surfer's Beachfront. I know Lego's got to find a descriptive title, but I don't find the title particularly descriptive for this particular set. So this set is, I think, a Lego shop exclusive, but that means that, well, in the past, sometimes like just individual sets would be just sold by Toys R Us and not offered to other retail shops. This one's just available at Lego, but I saw it at Costco yesterday, so if you have a Costco close by, you might be able to get it there. This set is 685 pieces. It is $120 here in Australia, but it was $90 at Costco. I was kicking myself because I'd already bought it from the Lego shop. But anyway, you guys can take good advantage if you can find it at less than RRP. Anyway, okay, so there are 7 bags in this. It's actually it's a decent sized set. Such candy colored stickers. Got 3 books, because there's obviously a lot going on in here. The first book is just the car. So first, I'm gonna get all the mini dolls out first. So first up, Mia in an outfit that we've actually seen her in before, but it's a really cute one. Suits her style totally. So she's not quite surf ready, but she's definitely summer ready. She's ready for summer, and she's gonna look a bit silly out on a surfboard in this outfit, but doesn't matter. She's also joined by Toffee, her puppy dog. Her puppy dog? Yeah. And apparently, because the animals changed from the reboot and I still haven't caught up, she's got a guitar, but she also is in charge of a surfboard. So I think she's just been given all of the luggage in the very beginning here. So according to the instructions, she has to look after the guitar and the surfboard and Toffee while we make the car. But we're going to look at the other mini dolls as well from the other bags. So Andrea is definitely dressed in her swimmers, I think, for the top. Got a little skirt on, got beach sandals on. Also, we've also seen this outfit before. It's nothing new, but it's nice. I actually am liking a lot of the outfits these days. Lego Friends is just going from strength to strength. Now, let's make Andrea actually contribute to this conversation and look after the guitar, which is hers. So look after that. Okay, stand up here because we've got a micro doll. We got little Ava also in this set. Where are you? Ava has come in a few sets now, and I assumed she's got the same dress on, so there's nothing new to actually look at or talk about here. But I assumed that Ava was Mia's just suddenly appeared, like magically appeared little sister. But now I'm starting to think that maybe she's her cousin because she's hanging out here with Mia's grandma. So is she her cousin? And like maybe she's here for the summer or something? I don't know. Okay, but speaking of grandmas, this is Nora, Mia's grandma. I get all excited about grandmas when they're not like poking you with their umbrellas and stuff. This is Nora. She looks totally chilled. She's got thongs on. She's got a nice Nana skirt on. Very nice top, very detailed, and that necklace actually goes with the detail all the way around the back, actually covering up any of the mismolding that might have been happening around the neck. The necklace is right up there doing a beautiful job. She looks she's escaped from a hippie commune, I think. She's got on glasses as well. Really, the really low set Nana glasses that Nanas have an exclusive copyright on. And she's also wearing Dumbledore's hair. Not that I think Dumbledore will mind or even notice because he's in a totally different fandom. So I reckon that Nora is in charge of Ava. So she obviously has to be holding her hand when they're crossing the street, this is the only way we can do it with the micro dolls, which is just entirely naff. So we're not gonna do that, but I like to do it. Okay, I've stopped now. All right, so we got Nora, we've got Ava, we've got Andrea, we have got Mia, we've got Toffee, we've got a couple of accessories. Now, if everybody could just move back again, thanks. Now we can build the car. It has been a little while since I have built a car because I've actually been avoiding doing some of the cars. Because I don't love vehicles and I really just should get in and do some of them because the cat car, which I haven't built yet, has got some really cute things in it, and the ambulance has also got an exclusive cat in it. I've got to get, okay, I promise I will build them soon on the channel. I just get sidetracked by lots of other things and I don't love vehicles, but I do find them interesting when I'm building them. So, you learn something with every different thing that you build. So we've got a couple of seats in the front, nowhere for Ava to actually stand because there's no little jumper studs for her to attach to. So if she's going in this car, it's like she's going to be freewheeling without a seatbelt. I could put her in the boot here though, on that jumper stud maybe. Yeah, let's do that. See, she'd be safe back there. Legally, she shouldn't be riding in the boot, but she's going to just wibble wobbly around on the inside. So Anyway, don't tell anybody, no one will know. I have no idea what the number plate means. It'll have some significance, probably something to do with the Lego designer of this particular set. These, oh, I love these rounded plates. Tiles, they're called tiles. I love these rounded tiles that are just with the stickers on them, make a fabulous embellishment on the side of the car. I'm just getting terribly excited here. It's so beachy. You know, we're getting to the end of school holidays here. This actually winter here in Australia at the moment, and we're coming to the end of our mid-year holidays, and it just makes me want to do all the more craft and holiday and just lose myself in the fun stuff before we all have to go back and do all the work stuff again. So this is just making me nostalgic for a summer we're not actually living at the moment. Okay, we've got a crate for the back for holding stuff, so we'll chuck Ava in there because she's safer in there than she's going to be in the seats still. Yeah, okay, and yeah, we could put the other stuff like the surfboard and the guitar actually in the seats. Oh, there's a couple of jumper studs on the front. We could pop Toffee up there and Ava there. That is so safe and so legal for when you're driving around, which is fine until we put the wheels on, and then it's totally not good. Okay, so let's put the wheels on. Oh dear. Okay, but look at them. They're so secure up there. Andrea can hang out in the back with her guitar. There are so many ways that people can travel in this new vehicle that we've just built. Good spare parts there, nothing that we shouldn't have. And we're up to bag number 2, which is just full of gelato colours. I'm excited. Right, bag number 2. Starting with a lavender base plate. Oh, it's already so pretty. And a yellow panel here with, oh my gosh, are we starting in the ice cream store? This is fabulous. So we've got a poster for the ice creams, and obviously we got jam being sold here too. There was a picture of strawberry jam and blueberry jam. I reckon that Nana Nora, gosh, I love the sound of that. Nana Nora makes her own homemade strawberries and blueberries. So is this the right climate to be growing blueberries in? Because I kind of thought that you needed a colder climate. Okay, I digress. Oh, I love this little doormat. It's just all the gelato pastel colours. It's so pretty. And this is a little outcrop here, maybe in front of a window. No, I don't know. Once again, I make stuff up until it all becomes realised, and then I go, oh yeah, no, I was wrong. Oh, the window is just totally all the colours. It's turquoise and it's yellow and it's got mint ledge in the front of it. It's all the good things. Outward facing yellow studs there. I've got a little hook on the side, and this mint piece has got our first sign of some ice cream. So there is where you can come and line up to get your scoops of ice cream, and they're on a little cold plate, like the little see-through transparent blue plate for ice, which just makes perfect sense. We got holes in the wall here so we can put some Technic pins in and attach it to the other buildings. I'm assuming that's what's going to happen because that's what's common sense. It's a really, really good way just to make the buildings individually and then join them later on. Lots of outward facing studs. We're going to be putting so much on the front of this, and I don't know, and on the side, and I don't know what it's going to be. But I'm excited to find out. Okay, signage for our ice cream shop. We can get a pink powder pop for 2, a blue powder pop for 2, and an ice cream with 3 scoops for 3 bonus. And this little section out here in front of the window is an eating section with yellow and pink stools. And I think that's the first time I've seen that tabletop piece in white, that rounded piece, except I just saw it before on the car. I don't think we've seen it in white before. Okay, I didn't even notice it when it was on the car. I love the sign around the side for the ice creams, and now we're figuring out what's going on all those outward-facing studs. We're building an awning, a stripy awning, because it just makes it extra festive and extra happy. And we're putting all these extended half-round pieces on here, and because I didn't put them on straight initially, they don't just automatically straighten up, and I don't know how I'm going to manage with that. That mint one there just looks terrible. Let's just take a few off and try again, because I won't be able to look at it. The good thing about Lego is I can take it off, do it again. Yeah, that's good. That'll do. It will do. All right, so ice cream shop's done. Got a few extra pieces there, including some extra ice cream scoops, and we're up to bag number 3. And this time we got a turquoise base plate. Exciting. It's just all the colours happening. It's just, oh wow, okay. It's like a unicorn came in and vomited all of the gelato colours on here. Except for turquoise, because that's not really a gelato colour. I mean, we can set, what colour would turquoise gelato be? Okay, we have got a black cabinet here, which we haven't seen for a while, a record on the top, and so this is a little DJ section for Andrea, where we've seen these sort of things before, but it's, you know, she's gonna be pulling her weight when she comes to visit. She's gonna be providing the music for the little tiny ice cream shop, because everyone likes having a DJ slamming some music out in their ears while they're trying to enjoy their ice cream. There's the speaker facing the seats. Oh, that's obnoxious. We might turn that speaker to face outwards later. I would not want to be sitting in those seats. Or is that just me? Oh my gosh. It's very, very cute though. So we got the eating section up there. We've got a music section up for Andrea. We covered so much stuff. What's this stick here for though? This is for that hook that we saw up the top that hadn't, no it's not, I lie. This is for, oh, ice cream dribble. It's a buildable ice cream cone advertisement thing for out the front of the shop. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's fabulous. So that hook's down here, and you can kind of angle it if you want to. This hook up here is what I was referring to before. That's where I thought it was going to go, but no, this is for, I've dropped it. This is for an umbrella, so you can angle it just wherever the sun is and just be able to get a bit of shade up there. It just looks really, really quirky and wonky. Adds a whole world of charm. Another black cabinet. I'm trying to remember when the last time I saw black cabinets was, and I don't think it's been since Livy's Pop Star house. Anyway, black cabinet in here in the ice cream shop part of the ice cream shop, in the actual servery part, got an ice cream ready to go, a tap for washing up, very important, some washing up detergent, or some soap, or hand sanitizer, whatever you want to make that bottle be. All right, what else we got? More pink. Oh, and some serious black on the top, shiny black, red headpiece, and big bottle of strawberry jam. Nana Nora has been making her strawberry jam. And this here looks like a fridge or a freezer with purple. Oh, these are going to be the blueberries. Oh my gosh. Okay, so maybe frozen blueberries. And this is a brand new print for the cash register. You got PayPass on it. You can insert your card. Got a $5 coin, the new $5 print on the top. Blueberries in the fridge. They're not facing the right way for us to be able to see that they're blueberries, but oh my gosh, I'm sure that's what it is. Or it could just be like a scoop of purple, like 3 scoops of purple for your ice cream. Now, what have we got now? We got white, we got a waffle. We got all the things in this shop. Nana Nora, you're just providing all of the goodness. Okay, so whipped cream, waffles, ice cream, strawberry jam, blueberries. Oh, wow. Okay, I love this shop. And in the extras, we've got so many extra things we can be putting together here. We've got another 5 cents. We've got spoon, we got waffles. We've got lots and lots of ice cream stackable ingredients. So you can make, there's a brown poop, there's a white poop, which are in this case like Mr. Whippy ice creams. These, we can stack them up, we can put, oh wow, okay. So there are lots of good things that you can do with the extra parts out of that bag. And we're up to bag number 4, and you know, I have spoken so fast throughout this video, and we're only halfway through. So we're going to do the second half of this build in the next video. I know you're gonna be so cross with me, but I also know that, you know, patience is very good. I'm gonna run now. So I'll see you with the next part very, very soon. You wait, it's gonna be worth it. I'll see you soon. Bye.